O, lakad na!
Video mo sila yung ginagawa. Christmas lang daw, kuha naman ng mga ng 5 minutes lang. Hindi mo nagtabi yung
Tingnan mo rin ako, ma? Hello, Ayen! Nana! Merry Christmas in advance! I'm ganda rito! Hello, everyone! Hello, guys! It's Christmas time again! Today is
Albert!
fireworks. We will gonna watch the fireworks.
Tita pa. Ang tayong dalawa. Bango dito din.
Maganda siya. Kaya maganda rin ang pasipin. Saka 5 minutes lang na.
Kunin mo yan.
Hello, everyone. 5 minutes lang to eh. Christmas tree. Hello. Kita kaya tayo.
Meron.
Ganda ng Christmas tree.
5 minutes lang naman to eh.
My goodness. Nahulog yung bata.
Dito tayo lalabas. Yeah. Papalabasin na tayo. Mamaya.
Santa Claus.
Ang ganda oh. Ayaw mo mag-cellphone. Mag-picture sa cellphone mo. Dapat ka na ba?
Ah, thank you.
Akin ang cellphone mo. Picturean kita. Camera, video pa rin to eh. Kasi 5 minutes lang daw. Hi, welcome to our Christmas event here in SM North, the block. And I'm enjoying watching and window shopping because we don't have enough money to buy more expensive like H&M and Marks and Spencer's. Also, what do you call that? Yes. So
Artificial fall.
here we are going to run. Yes.
And this,
Yeah, I like the dwarf. I like the, what do you call that? The 7 dwarf of Snow White. like Labubu, but I don't like Labubu, but because they said that Labubu is figure an angel of Satan. So I don't like Labubu. I like Santa Claus and the dwarf. Yeah. Yeah, I want to show my mom. Here's my mom. Hi mom, Merry Christmas, advance. We're here in SM North because we're gonna watch the fireworks display in Trinoma. That's why we're here. Yes. So I'm gonna show you all of this. It's so beautiful. So if you want to visit here in SM, yes, go here. Yeah. So here, you see the dwarf. What do you call that? Yes.
I came from work.
Mama came from work. So over here.
So looking
And then after that, we go into Trahiloma.
sleepy now.
Nanto ka na?
But
And
I
she-
wanna see the fireworks
Yes.
again.
Maya-maya, magka-time na tayo. Yun.
Time is up
Ayaw mo
na.
mag-picture?
Time is up na.
Ayaw mag-picture, ma?
Halika.
Ay, asan na yung ano mo? Okay, nubat na talaga.